Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
The gear icon on Gmail is your direct access to settings and customization. Found in the top right of your inbox, it functions as the Settings menu. Clicking it opens a panel of options to personalize your Gmail experience. You can quickly change your inbox type, like showing unread emails first. It allows you to adjust the display density, making your email list more compact or spacious. This icon also lets you select different themes, changing your inbox background to a new color or image, even enabling dark mode. Beyond looks, the gear icon provides crucial functional settings. From here, you can create or modify your email signature for professional messages. It's also where you activate your automatic evocation responder when you're away. For more detailed control, click See All Settings within this menu. This advanced section lets you manage filters to sort incoming mail automatically. You can set up email forwarding or even grant account access to others. The gear icon is your central command for tailoring Gmail to your workflow and preferences. It makes managing your daily emails more efficient and enjoyable. Just look for that gear icon to make Gmail work best for you.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.